Welcome back to the TrimTrove TV, where we're all about crushing those fitness goals and sculpting the best version of ourselves. Today, we've got something special lined up: the top 5 exercises that'll kickstart your weight loss journey. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game changers. So grab your workout gear and let's dive right in. 1. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are a dynamic full-body exercise that engage. Allow the kettlebell to swing back down between your legs and repeat. Benefits: burns calories efficiently, strengthens multiple muscle groups, improves posture and balance. Conditions to avoid: avoid if you have lower back issues. Start with a lighter kettlebell to master the form. 2. Battling ropes. This exercise uses heavy ropes to provide a high-intensity, full-body workout that burns calories. How to: anchor the ropes to a stable point and hold one end in each hand. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and engage your core. Move your arms in an alternating wave-like motion, creating ripples in the ropes. Benefits: boosts cardiovascular fitness, works upper body, core, and legs, enhances coordination and stamina. Conditions to avoid: be cautious with back injuries. Start with a lighter sandbag to adapt to the movements. 3. Sandbag training. Sandbags offer an unconventional functional strength training experience that engages multiple muscle groups. How to: load a sandbag with an appropriate weight and secure it. Perform exercises like squats, lunges, and carries while holding or manipulating the sandbag. Back injuries: start with a lighter sandbag to adapt to the movements. 4. Stability ball rollouts. This exercise targets your core, shoulders, and back while also engaging your stabilizing muscles. How to: kneel on the floor with your hands on a stability ball in front of you. Slowly roll the ball away from you, extending your arms while keeping your core engaged. Return to the starting position by pulling the ball back towards you. Benefits: strengthens core and back muscles, improves balance and stability, enhances posture and spinal health. Conditions to avoid: avoid if you have wrist or shoulder problems. Start with partial rollouts and progress slowly. 5. Box jumps with medicine ball slam. Combining explosive movements, this exercise boosts cardiovascular fitness, strength, and coordination. How to: start by standing in front of a sturdy box or platform. Jump onto the box with both feet, landing softly with bent knees. As you land, immediately grab a medicine ball and slam it down onto the ground. Benefits: burns calories rapidly, increases explosive power, improve. Avoid if you have knee or ankle issues. Ensure the box is stable and not too high. Thanks for joining me today, TrimTrove Tribe. Remember, consistency is key on this fitness journey, so keep pushing yourself and stay committed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Drop any questions or progress updates in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated, stay active, and keep chasing those goals. See you in the next video.